Hello friends, my name is Shashank and welcome back to my channel Corporate Guy, and today in this video we are going to talk about books, right? Because being a security professional, you have to spend some time with the books because readers are the future leaders. And being a security professional, we also have to lead our troops, we also have to lead our team in sometimes the intense situations, right? So if you do not read, you cannot get the broader mindset that how other people are doing the same activities in the same situation, right? So for that, I have brought to you 3 important books which you can start right now, because if you are a beginner reader and if you have never read any book, these can be a guiding path for you to start with these books, right? So the number 1 book which I recommend very strongly is The Extreme Ownership. This book has been written by the Navy SEAL, and they have explained how do they operate in the intense situations, how do they lead the troops, and how do they take ownership of the tasks assigned to them and the people working under them. So if you are a security professional, you can relate to these situations and the objectives they have explained in this book. So go for this book and read it and implement those mantras in your life and become a better leader, right? So go for that book. And the second book is the important one, because in security you can spend 360 days without any incident, but that one incident can spoil your whole hard work, and that one incident can put the whole security setup into the question, right? Because sometimes in the routine job, we tend to avoid, or we become blind to certain clues which leads to a big incident, right? But this book, The Tipping Point by Malcolm Gladwell, has explained that how little things makes a big difference, right? And how we as a security professional can look into those little clues before that those clues leads to a big incident, right? So if you read this book, this will change your perspective about everything in your life. Whatever you see, whatever you do, you will have a different perspective after reading this book, The Tipping Point, right? So the last one. Security is considered as the cost center, and we have to fight for every single penny, right? The budget constraints, the manpower constraints, everything we have to fight for, right? But this book, To Sell is Human, will give you the power, will give you the ability to effectively persuade and convince your management to give you what you really want. So go for this book, and don't forget to read that chapter in which they have explained how to elevate your pitch, how to write down your elevator pitch. Because elevator pitch is what you do, you can explain in less than 30 seconds. If you have been asked that question, tell me about yourself in the interviews, then this book can answer that question. So go for these 3 books, right? These 3 books, the important one, and start your reading journey right now. Thank you very much. And if you really want to buy, I have given the link to these books in my description. You can just go and follow the link to buy these books. So thank you very much, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.